Built in 1931, Mount Rainier's Sunrise Road still ranks among the most beautiful drives in the country. From the park's White River entrance, the Sunrise Road twists and turns its way 16 miles into the rich alpine meadows of the Sunrise Visitor Center, near the mountain's northeastern slope. As it climbs to an elevation of over 6,400 feet, the Sunrise Road becomes the highest point in the park reachable by car, offering panoramic views of Mount Rainier, its massive Emmons Glacier, and the jagged ridges of its surrounding peaks. I hope you enjoyed our drive along the Sunrise Road. If you'd like to see more videos of my excursions through the Pacific Northwest, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, safe travels.